So guys, here you can see one more time came out the full stack web development, and in full stack web development we started from our front end, and in front end we started from our HTML, and previously we started our new series about the colors, and this is our third video of the colors, and in today's video I'm telling about the hex colors. Okay, like in the previous video I told you about the RGB and RGBA colors, so in today's video I am telling you about the hex colors. So yeah, I'm telling you about this video start to it, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with Long. So guys, previously we started a new series about the colors, and in the previous video of colors I told you about the RGB and RGBA colors. So in today's video I'm telling you about the hex colors. So if you don't know what are hex colors, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, what are hex colors in HTML. So let's get started without wasting any time, and let's know about what are hex colors in HTML. So let's start. Hexadecimal color is specified with hashtag RRR, GGG, BBB, where the RR it should be red and GG it should be green and BB should be blue, and hexadecimal integers specify the components of the color. For example, hex color values. In HTML, a color can be specified using the hexadecimal value in the form like this, like RR, GG, BB. Okay, where the RR should be red, GG should be green, blue, BB should be blue, and hexadecimal values is between 00, FF, and same as decimal 0 minus 255. For example, like hashtag FF000 it displays as a red because red is set to the highest value FF, and the other two green and blue are set to the 00. One more example. Hashtag 00FF00 is displayed as green because green is set to its highest value FFF, and the other two red and blue are set to 0. To display black, set all color parameters to 00 like this, or to display the white, set all color parameters to FFF like this. Experiment by mixing the hex values below. Like here we are mixing the hex values like FF636347. If I go on to Google and if I say which color code it is, so give me tomato red, and it is tomato red color. Okay, now here it give me FF0, here I like FFF000, it give me totally red. Why? Because the FF is the red in its highest form. Then give me the dark blue. Why? Because the blue is in its highest form, FFF, and the green and red are set to the 0. That's why they give me like this. Then give me like this. Why? Because the red should be 3CB371. Here we writing the color code. Okay. Here we write the color code of the colors. Here you can see, here we write it down. Now, shades of grey. Shades of grey are often defined using the equal values for all three parameters like this, like hashtag 404040, 6668, 808080, then BB, then and F DC, then F8 like this. So now let me do some coding and let me show you how it is looking now. To do a coding, first of all, we open my Sublime Text Editor, and when I open my Sublime Text Editor, here I create a new file. And how to create a file? You only click on the file, then save as, and I'm making my file on my documents, and here I'm making like my file index.html. So it looking like this. It means like index.html already existed. You want to replace that? Means like index.html file has been already made. Do you want to replace it? In that file, if there is not any such type of important work, so you press the yes. So if there in that file there is very important work, so you press no and give the different name to your file. So here our file has been made it. So first of all, here we write like HTML, then it like comes. So here I am writing like hex colors in the title. Now what can I do here? First of all, we define here h1 in the H1, first of all we am writing hex colors example RR, GG and BB. So here first of all I define a style and then colors, background color. So hex, to define a hex color you only write here color code of your, if I write color code will be FF0000. So I have told you in the starting of the video, FF means red, the first two is red and then second two is green and third two is blue. Okay, like in the starting of the video I've told you. So save it and answer. It give me in the output give me red. Here you can see it in the red color. Why did it give me in the red color? Because red is set to its highest value FF. If I say a FF here, so it give me blue. Okay, here you can see it. And now if I give him to the color, so it will be hashtag FFF. Hashtag FFF means like I've told you, hashtag FFF means white. Save it and run it. So it give me in the white. Here you can see it. Now how, let me show you. If you want a color like I want a maroon color code, so give me maroon color code, then copy it and then you simply paste this code, save it and run it. So give me maroon. If you want here the different, give me, if I write here give me all colors code, so then here all colors code has been come. Then I want here you can see it. If you want any code like I want navy color, so the color code has been come. You only copy this color code and then paste this color code here, then save it and run it. So the navy color has become like that. You can do it very easily, yes, and then you will be change the colors, okay, using the color code. And if you want any color, if you want red, okay, so you also give the red. You can see it. Or using this you also do it. Let me show you one more thing. If you want the black color, so you only write 0000 like I have told you, then save it, so it give you in the black. Here you can see it. And if I remove it, here you can see it. It is looking like this. If I go and if I write color FFFFF, then save it and run it, so it give me like this. You can see it. Like I told you, if you print a full black, so you write 000, or if you print full green, so you write here FFF in the center, then give you green. Here you can see it. Or if you want some red, so you also give some red like A5, and then if you still want some blue, so you give 0Y. Save it. Sorry, now 0Y WA. Sorry, W1. Now save it and then it should give me this type of color. I write any color code. Here you can see it. Or if you want like a color, so you can also give write black. Here you also write, save it and run it. So you give only the color name also here. Okay, you can do it like this also. So but here you can see it. In today's video of full stack web development, I told you about the index HTML water hex color. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoyed, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell, also never serve any future related videos about the HTML. So now I'm meeting next class and next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.